If you wish to enable the dark mode exclusive for the message app on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. Open the settings and just scroll down and open accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom, per app settings, and click add app. Here select the message app. So here it is. You can select any app if you wish. Then open the message app and open increase contrast. Select this to on, back, and open smart invert. Select this to on. Now it's done. It's done. Just back and open the message app. Boom, it's changed. Here you can see everything changed. So here you can see it's still on the bright screen, I mean clear screen on the other apps. It only applies on the message app. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, you need to watch this playlist.